today we are going to be making homemade bagel bites or homemade pizza. And you'll have lots of fun with this. And when it comes out of the oven, it's so good. And have fun. So now we're going to start making the dough and mixing everything. We have a nice dough ball here. We have to put a bowl over it and let it rest for 20 minutes. And then we're gonna come back and roll it out. All right, welcome back. The dough has been sitting for about 20 to 30 minutes, and what you should do right now is preheat the oven to 425 degrees. Now, while the oven is warming up, let's go ahead and take the bowl off. Nice. And roll out the dough. So now that we rolled the dough out, instead of making regular, boring, traditional pizza, we are making shaped little bagel bites, like little pizzas. So I have a unicorn cookie cutter here. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it down, and sometimes you have to shake it a little. And I don't think I got mine good. Okay. Now that we have cut it out all our shapes, we can take a piece of parchment paper and put it on a baking sheet. Just make sure it fits. It doesn't have to fit perfectly. You might have to trim it a little, but still has to fit. Take the shapes or your pizza and put it on the pan. Okay, so now that we have grated our cheese and opened our sauce, Bridget is going to put the sauce on all of the little pizzas, and I'm going to put the cheese on. Okay, so now that we have done our sauce and cheese, we are going to put it in the oven for about 12 minutes, but make sure to keep an eye on it so it doesn't burn in your pizza and you have to start all over again. So it's been about 12 minutes now, and we're about to take it out, and we're going to eat them soon. Now it's time to eat our delicious pizza.